How to listen to audio message on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any conversation from here. As you can see, this person has sent you an audio message in this conversation. Tap on the play button on the audio message to listen to it. You can also view the transcription of the message below. If you want to send an audio message as well, then go to the bottom right corner and tap on the audio icon. Record your message over here. Once you're done, tap on the arrow icon beside to send it. Following these steps, you can easily listen to audio message on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.